Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to request access to a Shopify store. Whether we are developers, designers, or collaborators, getting the right access is key before we can start working on a store. Let's walk through the process together. First, instead of going through the Shopify dashboard, we head over to partners.shopify.com. We open that tab and go to the website because this is where we will submit our access request. We then need to log into our account. Once logged in, we go to Stores in the upper left part of the page. Make sure we already have a business email set up before this step. Once we are on the Stores page, we simply click Add Store, then enter the link of the store we want to access. We paste the link in and continue. From there, we click to request access. The option appears in the upper right portion of the screen. This area will also show us if we have already submitted a request. Once we send the request, we just wait for the store owner to grant us access. And that is how we request access to a Shopify store. With the right permissions in place, we can start managing and customizing the store right away.